Hello and welcome to MassapequaNews.com, everybody. I'm Will Slater here, bringing you the who's who of Massapequa. And I'm here on location at her office with Susan Martin, who is a certified public accountant. Susan, thanks a lot for coming on today.
Oh, thanks for having me.
Now, as I said, you are a certified public accountant,
Correct.
a CPA.
Mm-hmm.
What does that mean?
What that basically means is I am an expert in tax matters and the person that most people go to with either tax questions, tax problems, preparing tax returns, setting up corporations, partnerships, dissolving corporations, partnerships, estate planning, all that good stuff that most people try to avoid.
Right, absolutely. What would you say the biggest misconception is about the work that you do?
I honestly believe that people don't realize how technical it can get, how often it changes, the laws change, how at a very simple level people do need to at least touch base or have a certified public accountant they can ask questions of and get some guidance from. I end up with a lot of situations where I do more repair work sometimes because people have decided to do it themselves or taken advice from the wrong people, and then in I come and try to repair the damage.
Yeah, they've messed it up so monumentally already, now you gotta go back and fix all their messy work.
Right. I'm the boo-boo queen.
Right. All right, what is your greatest challenge in your line of work here?
My greatest challenge, in my opinion, is staying up to snuff with all the new tax laws, staying absolutely current, and getting the best information and tools for my clients. As far as I'm concerned, one of my goals is to make sure that my clients get the benefits of every tax break and every tax law that saves them dollars.
Oh, yeah.
Especially in today's economy, saving a couple dollars is the name of the game.
Oh yeah, especially today's economy.
Exactly.
Absolutely, yeah. So I mean, you're helping out the consumer there. You're helping out the people that are often not being aided so much by the taxes. The people that run the IRS and such.
I do my best.
Yeah, it's honorable work there.
There you go.
So I mean, tell me a little bit about your education.
Okay, well, I graduated from SUNY Old Westbury with my degree in business, specializing in accounting. Sat for the CPA exam, which is the greatest form of torture I've ever experienced in my life.
That's saying something.
Worked in the city first for an accounting firm, then moved to Woodbury, worked for an accounting firm in Woodbury, and about 15 years ago went into practice for myself.
Very nice.
And I've been very happy with that decision.
I mean, that must be saying something, being that it was the worst form of torture you've ever had to experience. I mean, being that you have to deal with some of the worst people on the face of the earth at the IRS and things of that nature.
We actually had 2 women have nervous breakdowns during the exam.
Wow.
It really is unimaginable.
What was your a little good segue there. What was your first experience with the workforce?
Well, my very first experience before I what made me decide to go into this field was actually over the summer one year when I was still in my second year of college. A friend down the block worked for a CPA firm and asked me if I wanted to basically work for the summer and cover for different staff members who were on vacation.
Oh, wow.
I went to the city, liked the city.
Oh, yeah.
Liked what I was doing and decided, okay, this was the career path I was going to take. And I haven't looked back.
Right. That's how you got into it.
Yep, that's how I got into it.
I understand that you are the treasurer of a certain chamber. Tell me a little bit about that.
Yes, I am the treasurer for the Chamber of Commerce for Massapequa. Have been the treasurer for 2 years, going into my 3rd year. I encourage everybody to look into us and see. It's a wonderful organization. I'm very proud of it and proud to be a part of it.
Absolutely. More than anything else, what do you want people to know about you and the business that you do here, whether it's at this job or with the Massapequa Chamber of Commerce?
Well, what I would like anybody who's looking into beginning a business possibly, who has started a business, it's important as far as I'm concerned that everybody have the proper team in place. I really believe you need to have a CPA, an attorney, an insurance person who you trust and who therefore will do that part of the job that they're best at, and you can build your business. I'll keep you in place for compliance. Your attorney should have all the legal documents in place, and insurance broker should have enough insurance for you so that, again, you're covered on all bases. So you're just there to build that business and grow. And we all grow together. We make a team.
There you go. If you're starting a business, you need a CPA. Why not come to Susan Martin? It's the person to go to.
Any questions to begin with? If anybody has any questions, you can get my email address from the chamber. You can look me up in the phone. I'd be happy to talk to you.
Absolutely, that's where we're going to right now. If you would like any additional information about Susan Martin or business as a CPA, you can visit us on MassapequasNews.com. You could find her on the Who's Who section of MassapequasNews.com under Professional Services. It's important there. So I'd like to thank you a lot very much for joining us today, Susan.
Meeting you.
Thanks a lot. Nice
Have a
meeting
great
you
weekend.
too.
Have a great weekend, everybody.
Thanks a lot for joining us on MassapequasNews.com. Once again, find her on the Who's Who section. I'm Will Slater. Once again, bringing you this MassapequasNews.com